This is chapter of +2 surface chemistry. In this chapter we will study about the adsorption. Adsorption सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए कि adsorption होता क्या है. Adsorption में हम दो terms use करते हैं. One is adsorbate, another is adsorbent. Like suppose we work in a coal mine where poisonous gases are there. तो क्या होगा कि we will put a mask made up of silica gel or activated charcoal. Then the gases will be adsorbed on that mask. These gases are known as adsorbate and the mask is known as adsorbent. कि जो चीज adsorption जिसकी हो रही है that is adsorbate और जिसके ऊपर हो रही है that is adsorbent. Another term is there that is absorption. Absorption is bulk phenomena. This is surface phenomena. So this branch of chemistry deals with the phenomenon that occur on the surface of the matter. Adsorption is of two types. One is positive, another is negative. Positive adsorption means like if we use any material and the concentration of poisonous gases or anything that will be more on that material as compared to environment, that is positive adsorption. But if the concentration is less on the surface as compared to environment, that is negative adsorption. Again, we can divide the adsorption on the basis of forces. That is a physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption means if the forces between adsorbate and adsorbent, that is only time pass, that is van der Waals. No surface compounds are formed, no more heat is liberated in this case, then it is physical adsorption. And in the chemical adsorption, definitely a surface compound is formed. In this case, the strong force, so strong covalent bond is formed between the adsorbate and adsorbent. Now we will discuss the factors which affects adsorption. Now number one is nature and surface area. More the surface area, more the adsorption. That means activated charcoal or silica gel we prefer as adsorbents. Why these are known as good adsorbents? Because they are having more surface area, they are more porous. Next is pressure. With the increase in pressure, the adsorption will increase. Now we will discuss the temperature effect. While discussing the temperature effect, we will keep in mind physical and chemical adsorption. Adsorption isobars. Adsorption isobars means the pressure is constant here. If we draw a graph between x by m is specific area, that is amount of the gas adsorbed per gram of adsorbent, and T is temperature. In the case of physical adsorption, as we increase the temperature, adsorption goes on decreasing. But in case of chemical adsorption, what will happen? It first increases and then decreases. Why there is first increase in adsorption? Because the increase in temperature, they accept it as a activation energy and more products are formed. Even then, if we increase the temperature, then desorption occurs. That means the gases adsorbed will be dissolved, means fly away. Next is linear adsorption isotherm. In this case, we vary x by m with pressure. In this case, there is first linear relation. That means as we increase the pressure, x by m increases. But then a pressure comes, that is a saturation pressure, that it is independent of pressure. But at the intermediate level, x by m is proportional to p raised to power 1 by n. That means it can be 1/8, 1/16, 1 by 2 and all that. That pressure is more important, that is intermediate pressure. X by m is proportional to p raised to power 1 by n. Then we remove the sign of proportionality, introduce a factor k, and on applying log x by m is equal to log k plus 1 by n log p. So this is a little bit about adsorption topic, and we will discuss in the next video the colloidal state and other phenomena. That's all.